Hey and welcome. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make the timers for your game, which we're gonna show you the current time in your time zone and whenever you want if you wanna add something like this to your game. So this is how it looks, so let's go and check the script. So here we have the script, and what you will need to use the Unity Engine UI, and you need to get the serialize field for the text with your time text. You will need 3 strings, in this case one for the hour, minutes and second. And on the update function we'll need to create the function to get the actual timer. For this I create here function called actual timer, and we will use here date timer, and we'll get the current time, which will equal to date timer now. This will show your time in your time zone whenever you are, and we'll need to update as well each second the hour, minute and second, and for that we'll use the current time dot hours to strings, current time dot minutes to strings, and current time seconds to string to get the seconds. And whenever you get all of this, the last thing you need to do, you need to get your text to update to the hours, minutes and second you want to show. So what you need to do is go to time text dot text, it's equal hour plus, you would make that with dots so you have the space between the minutes and second, plus minus and plus seconds. So, and this will give you exactly what we have here. Let me just turn off the music, and I make the space so the time it's not close to each other. You have some space between the numbers, and like you can see the second get the exactly second per update. And what you will need to get here, you need to create the empty object, and to the empty object I have one here, I call it current time. You will need to add the script, and to add to the script the time text you will need to get your text. So you go for the UI, get the text, and you need to just whenever you like the font size, color, I have it prepared here. So here's my current text, like you can see here on the tops, and I have font size 60, but it's depend from your needs, and you of course can change the color to color you want and do all the different stuff with this. So this is everything, and hope you enjoy it, and this is how you can add to the game the timer, which will show you exactly what the time is. Hope you enjoy, thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. If you're interested, check others videos from my channel. See you next time, cheers!